ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. Krishna says, however a person approaches me, I respond the same way. People follow my path in every direction. Solution to overcome the feeling of losing hope is your sincerity matters more than your situation. No matter how broken or weak you feel, if you take one step toward the divine, He takes many steps towards you. You are not judged, you are met where you are. If you come with fear, He gives courage. If you come with sadness, He offers comfort. If you come with confusion, He shows clarity. Hope returns when you remember you are heard. Even small prayers, even silent tears, even confused devotion, Krishna responds. Approach in your own way. There is no right or wrong way. Just be honest and He will meet you. The healing insight is you're not alone. God responds to even the smallest effort from you. अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. Krishna says, for those who love me with single-pointed devotion, I personally carry what they lack and protect what they have. Solution to overcome the feeling of losing hope are, you do not have to fight every battle alone. Krishna literally promises, I will take care of your needs. When your strength is low, He supports you. He fills gaps in courage, confidence, resources, and opportunities. You are not abandoned, you are carried. Even when you feel weak, Krishna lifts the weight. Trust brings guidance. The more you lean on Him, the lighter your life becomes. The healing insight is hope returns when you know that God is actively taking care of your journey. मन्मना भव मद्भक्तो मद्याजी मान्नमस्कुरु मामे वैश्यसि युक्त्वैवम् आत्मानं मत्परायणः. Krishna says, keep your mind on me, be my devotee, worship me, bow to me, then you will surely reach me. Solutions to overcome the feeling of losing hope are, where the mind goes, your life follows. When your mind stays connected to the divine, you naturally rise above hopelessness. Replace negative thoughts with remembrance. Instead of repeating I can't, say Krishna is with me. Routine devotion stabilizes the heart. Daily prayer, mantra, or simple gratitude removes fear and despair. You cannot fall when you hold His hand. The healing insight is hope grows when your mind rests in something higher than your problems. सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. Krishna says, surrender completely to me. I will free you from all suffering. Do not worry. Solutions to overcome the feeling of losing hope are, this is Krishna's most powerful promise. He is saying, give me your fear. I will handle it. Stop carrying everything alone. Hopelessness comes from feeling overwhelmed. Surrender means, Krishna, I trust you with my life. Let Him clean your mistakes and remove your burdens. No matter what you did, you can restart. Do not fear the future. Krishna says, do not fear, do not grieve. The healing insight is, hope returns the moment you stop fighting alone and let Krishna guide you. यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिर्ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम. Where Krishna is present and where Arjuna stands, there will be prosperity, victory, and righteousness. Solutions to overcome the feeling of losing hope are, victory is equal to divine support plus your effort. When you do your small part and Krishna does his part, success is inevitable. You don't need huge strength, only willingness. Arjuna only had to show up. Krishna did the rest. Don't give up because progress is slow. If Krishna is with you, the ending is guaranteed to be good. Your future is safe. Where there is Krishna, there is victory. Where there is your effort, there is progress. Where both meet, destiny becomes bright. The healing insight is hope returns when you realize that Krishna and you are unstoppable.